Hello, welcome to my today's video. Today I will share with you guys one of my face mask. This is a firming overnight face mask. I regularly use this. I use twice or 3 times in a week. So when I use this, my face feel like tingling, like numb, feeling like inside burning, which is a sign that a nerve is irritated and sending extra signal. It can feel like numbness or burning under the skin. This is actually like cream, so I use this nighttime. It's really one of good mask for skincare. This infused with hibiscus seed extract and ginger leaf. How I use this mask? I use this nighttime. First I clean my face, then I massage with this mask. I make sure that I massage with upward on the face. Then I just after I use all over my face, I go to sleep. This mask is good for all skin types. This is vegan. This is a firming anti-aging facial mask. It makes skin smooth and firm. Also it reduces look of fine line. After I use this, it feeling instantly like nourish, soft, and help skin brighten. And if you like today's video, please give a thumbs up and see you next time. Bye.